This is what we talked about during math on September 15th, 2020. We first discussed what the number 5 represented and what the students saw in the image and how we made the number 5 what it represents. So, how do we represent the number 5? We could do 5 plus 0. We could do 1 plus 4. We could do 2 plus 3. So there's different ways we can use the number 5. And then we did some number sense activities where I asked the students how many dots that they saw. Okay, they saw 8 dots. And then how many groups they saw. So maybe some said they saw 2 groups of 3 and 2 groups of 1, or they saw 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 8. So that's what we did for number sense. Same thing over here where there was 9. So maybe for groups, students saw that there's 1, 2, and 3 groups of 9. All right. And then we went all the way down and we discussed about 7. How do we make 7? We picked 7 items from the scavenger hunt that they did, and they counted 7, and they had to see how many groups that they made in that group of 7. And we did the same thing for 4 and 5 and 10. And we discussed how we made the number 10 and how many groups there are in the number 10. And then we went to the students' workbook where we traced the numbers from 1 through 9, and then went to page 9 and discussed how many apples there are in a given picture. So for example, there are 4 apples in this picture, so we write down the number 4. There are 3 bananas in this picture, so we write down the number 3. There are 4 oranges in this picture, so we write down the number 4. And that's what we did in math on September 15th, 2020.